Assalamu alaikum, 9th class mathematics exercise number 5.3 question number 6 today. Yes students, in last lecture we have done till question number 5. Today let's have a look on question number 6. The remainder after dividing the polynomial is given and is 2b, means if this polynomial is divided by x plus 1, this polynomial is given and divisor is given. If it is divided by x plus 1, then remainder is 2b. Calculate the value of a and b if this expression leaves a remainder of b plus 5 on being divided by x minus 2. Means here two divisors are given and two remainders are given. By using these divisors, we have to place these equal to the given remainders, and we will get two values, two expressions or two equations. Then by comparing simultaneously equation solving, we can find the values of a and b. Suppose remainder after dividing this polynomial by x plus 1. When we will divide this polynomial by x plus 1, we will equal to put it equal to 2b, because remainder is equal to 2b. And if this expression, the same expression, leaves a remainder of b plus 5 is remainder, now on being divided, now if it is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is equal to b plus 5. So after that we have to find the value. Students, question number 5, the same method you have already solved, कि जब रिमाइंडर इस एक्सप्रेशन को सॉल्व करने से 2b रखें 1 पहले, फिर इसी एक्सप्रेशन को आप जो है इस पे डिवाइड करें मतलब x प्लस 1 डिवाइड करें मतलब x प्लस 1 इज़ इक्वल टू 0 रखें, एंड देन यू कैन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x, मीन्स x इज़ इक्वल टू -1 आप इसमें x की जगह पे प्लेस करेंगे और जो इक्वेशन आएगी उसको आप इक्वल किसके रखेंगे, 2b के. नेक्स्ट सेम प्रोसेस आप यहाँ भी करेंगे. x माइनस 2 इज़ इक्वल टू 0, इट्स मीन x इज़ इक्वल टू 2. ठीक है, 2 आप प्लेस करेंगे इस इक्वेशन में, और जो आपके पास पोलिनोमियल का आंसर आएगा उसको आप b प्लस 5 के इक्वल रखेंगे. मीन्स टर्न बाय टर्न आप रखेंगे. पहले आप 2b के इक्वल रखेंगे रिमाइंडर को, वो आपके पास फर्स्ट इक्वेशन होगी. फिर आप b प्लस 5 के इक्वल रखेंगे, वो आपके पास सेकेंड इक्वेशन होगी. So you will solve these both equations and you can find the value of a and b very easily. Just have a look on question number 7. Question number 7 says the polynomial x cube plus lx square plus mx plus 24 has a factor x plus 4 and it leaves a remainder of 36 when divided by x minus 2. Find the values of l and m. Same method of this question. Any polynomial is given, has a factor x plus 4. Has a factor mean if it is divided by x plus 4, mean if we will take it, x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x will be equal to -4 if we will place in this equation, in this expression, and then it will be equal to 0 because it is a factor. They have told us, they has given us it is a factor. उन्होंने हमें कह दिया कि फैक्टर है, ये हम किसके इक्वल रखेंगे, 0 के, जो भी आंसर आएगा. एंड इट लीव्स अ रिमाइंडर ऑफ 36, और इसका रिमाइंडर क्या होगा, 36 के इक्वल रखेंगे. ठीक है, व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 2, और जब हम x माइनस 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो रिमाइंडर क्या किसके इक्वल रखेंगे, 36 के. यानी जब x प्लस 4 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो फिर तो रिमाइंडर 0 ही रखेंगे. क्यों, क्योंकि उन्होंने कह दिया कि फैक्टर है. फैक्टर होता कब है, रिमाइंडर 0 होता है. ठीक है, व्हेन डिवाइडेड बाय x माइनस 2, जब x माइनस 2 पे डिवाइड करेंगे तो आप रिमाइंडर क्या रखेंगे, 36. बिल्कुल इसी तरह एज इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव फर्स्टली टेकन x प्लस 1 एज अ डिवाइजर, ओके, एंड रिमाइंडर इज 2b. हियर firstly divisor is x plus 4 and remainder is 0. Here divisor is x minus 2 and remainder is b plus 5. Here divisor is x minus 2 and remainder is 36. So you will get two equations, and after comparing these two equations you can find the value of l and m. Students, very easy question 6 and 7. Now let's move towards question number 8. Yes, what question number 8 says, the expression lx cube plus mx square minus 4 leaves remainder of -3 and 12 when divided by x minus 1 and x plus 2 respectively. रिस्पेक्टिवली मीन बिलतरतीब जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, एक्सप्रेशन इज़ गिवन एंड फर्स्टली यू विल डिवाइड बाय x माइनस वन एंड रिमाइंडर इज़ -3 and when you will divide by x plus 2 remainder is 12. clear? Calculate the values of L and M. बिल्कुल 6 and 7 की तरह क्वेश्चन है. इट्स these 6 7 and 8 are same questions. You can solve with the one method. By using one method you can solve very easily. इसमें भी यही है कि एक्सप्रेशन को आप पहले x माइनस वन पर डिवाइड करेंगे, मीन्स x माइनस वन इज इक्वल टू 0 रखेंगे, वहाँ से x की वैल्यू लेंगे, x विल बी इक्वल टू 1 यू विल प्लेस इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन ऑन इंस्टेड ऑफ x and you will put it equal to -3, then you will divide it by x plus 2, means x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x value will be -2 you will place over there and you will just put it equal to 12. You will get two equations after comparison. We will compare these two equations now and you can find the value of L and M. Very easy questions. Fine students, you will try to solve. If you will find any problem, so you can inform me, inshallah I'll solve for you. Otherwise it's, I think so, no big issue, or because till question number 4 5 are with the same methods, so you can solve it. Question number 9, let's see the expression ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a is exactly divisible by x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the values of a and b. Okay, this expression is given and exactly divisible by x square minus 5x plus 6. Exactly divisible mean this is the factor of this expression. You have to find the value of a and b. I'll solve for you question number 9 now, because it's also with the same method but a bit different, you can see. So move towards question number 9 now. Yes students, question number 9 says the expression ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a is exactly divisible by x square minus 5x plus 6. Find the value of a and b. Expression is given exactly divisible by this one, means this is the given expression. Yes students, this is the given polynomial ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a and this is its divisor, means it is exactly divisible by this. Exactly divisible by this means इसको पूरा पूरा डिवाइड होता है, यानी इसका रिमाइंडर 0 होता है. ठीक है, सो इसमें डिफरेंस क्या है क्वेश्चन में कि पहले ऐसा होता था, इसके फैक्टर्स दिए होते थे, मींस एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल बाय 2 फैक्टर्स. ठीक है, अब इसमें क्या है, इसमें इक्वेशन दी हुई है, इसमें एक्सप्रेशन दी हुई है और एक्सप्रेशन को हमने फैक्टर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. वी विल फैक्टराइज इट टू मेक फैक्टर्स. एक्स स्क्वायर -3 2 times, it will be 3 and -2 and 3, or -3 into -2x plus 6, because corner points we have multiplied, that we got 6x square and we have to take that factor, that pair. If we will multiply them we can get the corner extreme values product, and if we will add or subtract them we can get the midterm. Clear? Now 3 2 times 6, and we will take common. Now what is common? X is common, and what is the remaining value inside? X minus 3, and -2 is common, and remaining value x minus 3, means in both brackets we got the same values, mean our factorization is correct. And what is common in both now? X minus 3 is common, and the remaining value is inside the bracket is x minus 2. These two factors we got by this expression, and now we will put these factors one by one and we can get value. These two factors divides this expression, and ax cube minus 9x square plus bx plus 3a. Now we will take any one, means from x minus 3, any one factor we will take x minus 3. Fine, means x minus 3 will be equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. We will put x is equal to 3 in the given expression. you see from x minus 3 is equal to 0, we will take it, and we can get the value of x is equal to 3 from this equation. Put x is equal to 3 in the expression. In this expression, now we will place 3 instead of x. P of 3 means expression, and it will be 27a minus 81 plus 3b plus 3a. Now a values we can solve now. It will be 30a means 27a plus 3a, it will be 30a. After that plus 3b minus 81. This expression we got, you can name it first, or you can also write it in this way, 30a plus 3b minus 81 is equal to 0. You will take it equal to 0. Fine. Now move towards the next factor. From x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here x is equal to 2. We will put x is equal to 2 in the given expression. Given expression is p of 2 is equal to a into 2 power 3 minus 9 into 2 power 2 plus b into 2 plus 3a. That will be a into 2 3 times 8 minus 9 into 4 plus 2b plus 3a. 8a minus 36 plus 2b plus 3a. Now 8a plus 3a, 11a plus 2b minus 36, p of 2. Students, because this equation will be equal to 0, because expression is exactly divisible by x minus 2. They have given us condition that it's a factor. If they are saying it's a factor, it's mean exactly divisible to equal to 0. If exactly divisible by equal to 0, obviously remainder will be equal to 0. Exactly divisible by x minus 2, sorry, and remainder will be equal to 0. Now this is the second equation. First equation, second equation, two equations we have made. We will solve these two equations and we can find the value of a and b. Now equation from equation 1. Equation 1 is 30a plus 3b minus 81 is equal to 0. We have to take the value. What is common here? Common is, first of all, 3 is common. Inside values will be 10a plus b minus 3 2 times and 27 is equal to 0. 3 will be divided on the other side and it will be also equal to 0. Then it remains 10a plus b minus 27 is equal to 0. Basically we want to find the value of b, and that's why b will be on the one side and the other values will be on the other side. Equal to 27 minus 10a. Okay, this is value of b, or you can say it's third equation. This b value we can plug in any equation, means first or second. From first we have taken this value, and in second we can place it. In second equation we will place it b value. After substituting the value in equation 2, in this we have solved. Now 11a and minus 20a, it will be minus 9a, and 54 minus 36, it will be positive 18 equal to 0. Now we want to find the value of a, so minus a we will take on one side and 18 on the other side. It will be also negative. Negative will be cut cancelled to each other. So divided by 9 on both sides to find the value of A. So we will divide by 9 on both sides, and we found the value of A is equal to 2. Now A found, exact value we have found, B we have found, but it is not exact value. It has variable as well. So we can find the value of B by placing exact A value in equation 3. Let's put A is equal to 2 in equation 3. So after placing the value of A, we got 27 minus 20 and P is equal to 7. So students, this is question number 9 of exercise 5.3. Is last question. You will practice it frequently and solve it on your register. It's not difficult question. It's very easy, just method once you will get, and you can do other such type of questions as well. In next lecture, inshallah, we will start next exercise 5.4. Till then, Allah Hafiz.